agad na. Salang.
Ano ba naman kumita ng 1 milyon? Ako pinibidyo nyo, videographer ako. Siyempre bago.
Love on the Clock, Saturday night sa TV. Sino ang tuluyang mauhulog? At sino ang matutulog sa break of voice? Love on the Clock, Saturday night sa TV.
Parang tayo ng bunga. Ganda. Walang layo ng meron. Yakapin mo naman daw siya. Gusto mo kiss kita? Gusto mo kaldakin ka pa eh. Hindi ako. Mamay GMA. Parehas ha. Saan mo mapula yung sa yung natirang gamot mo kasi ginamit. Kamusta binugbog mo daw si Dusty? Chemistry ng tatlo. Yes!
Pero yun nga, sa pagdating sa pagdating na
tayo doon, hindi. Oo naman, ako kasi yung VHS.
napanahon na natin.
Medyo nakita na natin yung ibang mga
Isang ano nga naman lang tayo ng konti. Yeah, tapos.
Gusin mo na Jason, no? Naiya ka pa, malandi ka dito eh. Umuuwag ka doon para mabash ka din.
Narapunta na ako Hong Kong. Wala, Miss Hong Kong.
Sa'yo niya, sa kanya na lang daw, hindi ko daw kailangan. Hala, Jason, be. Manahimik ka, Wendy.
Ron Angeles, Polo Laurel Wong, and they are joined by Love on the Clock's Game Changers. Let's call on JC Alex is here with us. Also joining us are the hosts of Love on the Clock. Please welcome Juan Chapin. And of course, let's give it up for the director, Johan Alcantara. And syempre, we also want to recognize Love on the Clock's writers. Love on the Clock. A big round of applause. We invite all of our guests to feel free to take your photos before we move on to the next part of our program. 8-episode series of Love on the Clock premiered last October 11 at TV5. So that airs every Saturday at 9:15 p.m. So hello everyone.
Alright, I think Hong Kong actually added to the aspect of the storytelling ng daters natin, no? We're having like 4 different couples here, and I think ang laking factor kasi that we were able.
And syempre, naisip ko paano ko pakikisamahan yung mga girls, knowing na may mga nabuo na sila na love interest. And Juancho, you being married, nagbigay ka ba ng advice sa ating mga daters when it comes to finding love?
Yeah, because I got married 26 and now they're
same age, di ba?
Nasa ganung age nila. So I was talking to them na parang tinatanong ni Jom yata, anong na-feel mo? Anong na-feel mo? Bakit at this age nagpakasal ka na? So parang syempre in-explain.
Very authentic eh. Talagang right in the heart of Hong Kong. Yan. So okay, I have a few questions for everyone. Zero.
Kasi, once na kayo, nagaway pa kami.
Malay mo ate. Okay, ito. Did anyone fall for someone they didn't expect? Be honest, tayo lang. Walang makakaalam. Didn't expect, Alex. Spill the tea. Si Victoria. Kanina siya nag-fall for. Secret. Yan ano. Ah, so meron. Literal.
Against the universe yan, Brad. Against the universe. Kabog, mama, oh.
Si ano na siya?
Thank you po. Against the